Healthy food groups for kids.
Hi.
Fruits and vegetables. Although fruits and vegetables are of different types, they are still both the most essential food groups that kids should eat on a daily basis. They are really rich in vitamin C, which keeps a child's immune system strong and healthy. They are also a good source of vitamin A, which makes sure that a child's hair, skin, and eyesight are healthy. Apart from these, fruits and vegetables are excellent sources of fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps the heart strong and helps avoid cancer. It is recommended that kids consume 1.5 to 2 cups of each kind daily. Meat. Meats do not only include chicken, pork, or beef, but they also include other poultry products, beans, and nuts. Foods part of this group are rich sources of protein and iron. They also offer vitamin B6, which helps in brain function. The foods in the meat group also contain zinc, which can aid in the growth and strength of the bones, eyes, hair, and nails. Eating 3 to 5 ounces of meat a day is recommended for kids. Grains. The food group of grains includes rice, bread, and cereals and pasta. They are rich in carbohydrates, which is an excellent source of energy for active kids. They are also high in B vitamins, iron, and thiamine. They are largely consumed among all food groups because children need all the carbohydrates they can get to fuel their high energy levels. Kids should consume 5 to 6 ounces of grains every day. Dairy. The dairy food group is mainly made up of cheese, yogurt, milk, and other dairy products. Kids who eat from this food group will reap calcium, which aids in strengthening bones and teeth. The dairy food group is also rich in protein, good for building muscles and body tissue. Kids should consume 2 to 3 cups of dairy each day.
Until the next video, thank you for watching.